Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. Let's start with our first news. The delegation of Turkmenistan took part in the work of the 148th Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union. During the period of March 23-24 of this year, the delegation of Turkmenistan, led by the chairman of the Mejlis of Turkmenistan Digulmanova, in order to participate in the work of the 148th Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union, IPU, carried out a working visit to Geneva, Swiss Confederation. As part of the visit on March 23, 2024, the delegation of Turkmenistan took part in the Forum of Women Parliamentarians, segments of which were devoted to the prospects of gender policy and the role of women peacemakers contributing to sustainable peace. Speaking at the forum, the head of the delegation of Turkmenistan noted the events being carried out in Turkmenistan in cooperation with the UN and other authoritative international structures, which have a positive impact on the effectiveness of activities to ensure gender equality and empower women. Separately noted was the ongoing National Action Plan to ensure gender equality in Turkmenistan for the period 2021-2025. On the same day, a meeting was organized between the chairman of the Mejlis of Turkmenistan and the president of the Inter-Parliamentary Union Tulya Akson. The delegation of Turkmenistan met with the Secretary General of the Inter-Parliamentary Union Martin Chungong. UN declares 2025 the International Year of Peace and Trust at Turkmenistan's initiative. On March 21, 2024, at the 63rd plenary meeting of the 78th session of the United Nations General Assembly, at the initiative of Turkmenistan, the Resolution 2025 International Year of Peace and Trust was adopted. This resolution was co-sponsored by 86 states. This resolution aims to promote peaceful conflict, resolution through political and diplomatic means, while fostering trust-based relations between nations. It emphasizes the importance of fostering a global culture of peaceful dialogue. Turkmenistan and Turksoy aim to further strengthen multifaceted cooperation. On March 25, 2024, in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan, a meeting was held between the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Turkmenistan, Rashid Meredov, and the delegation led by the Secretary General of the International Organization of Turkic Culture, Turksoy, Sultanbay Raev, who arrived to participate in the ceremony dedicated to the declaration of the ancient Turkmen city of Anau, the cultural capital of the Turkic world 2024. After words of gratitude to the Secretary General of the organization for participation in the celebrations, a detailed exchange of views took place on holding and participating in joint events dedicated to the declaration of the ancient Turkmen city of Anau as the cultural capital of the Turkic world, and the declaration of 2024 as the year of the great poet and thinker of the Turkic world, Maktim Guli Fragi, in connection with the 300th anniversary of the birth of the Turkmen classic. At the end of the meeting, the parties expressed satisfaction with the preparation of a rich program of events. The Turkmen side thanked Turksoy for the work done and noted that Turkmenistan aims to expand comprehensive work on cooperation with the International Organization of Turkic Culture. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.